Hello guys, as usual I hope you all are fine. Today finally we are back with the part 2 of 20 habits of successful people. Since we already discussed 10 habits of successful people in the part 1 of this video, so today we will discuss 10 more habits of successful people. If you didn't watch the part 1, then link is in the description. Go there and do watch it. So without any further delay, let's just continue. Read a lot, but not for pleasure. Book reading is a good habit. Most of the well educated people read books. But what most of the people do, they read it for entertainment purposes like novels, magazines, stories, history, and etc. Successful people don't just read anything, they are very careful in choosing topics. They read content like personality development, news, business related topics, or economics related topics which help them in their upcoming both personal and professional life. Take calculated risk. Every businessman knows that business is all about taking risk. Without risks, there is no business. But successful and wealthy people takes time in risky matters. They calculate and plan their decisions very carefully. If the risk fails to deliver its reward, they have a backup plan to minimize the loss. Network with success. Networking plays a key role in success. Successful people surround themselves with other successful and experienced people. They learn from their experience. Networking with other rich people or people with the drive and potential to become rich is crucial for your own success. Know when to stop working. Successful people work very hard to achieve their goals. They work day and night regularly to achieve their goals, but they also know the importance of relaxation in their life. They know that if they work continuously without any rest, they are only going to end up exhausted, inefficient, and unable to produce worthwhile. Give back. Charity is the hallmark of wealthy and successful people. Giving back to community and improving the world is an important characteristic for the wealthy. If you study the life of successful people like Bill Gates, Oprah Winfrey, or Nelson Rockefeller, you will see that they spend a lot of portion of their wealth in charity. Avoid television. Wealthy and successful people simply choose more productive ways to spend their time. They don't watch TV often unless it's important. They think that watching TV is a waste of time. If they want to know about current affairs, they simply use their cell phones, which is more convenient and less time wasting. Avoid gambling. Winning the lottery would make anyone instantly rich. But wealthy and successful people don't believe in luck. They rather believe in hard working. They create opportunity by working hard. Successful people believe you have to create your own luck through focus and hard work. Control emotions. Successful people know how to control their emotions. They know that good relationships are crucial foundation for success. They also understand this that not every emotion should be aired as this might damage their relationships with other people. So they speak very carefully so that no one will get hurt. Listen more and talk less. Effective communication is really important for networking. Successful people focuses more on listening rather than on talking. Through this way they tend to absorb more from other people. By listening they learn about different people in the society and learn from their experience. Don't retire. Successful people don't retire. Since they enjoy what they do, so this keeps them to continue even after their retiring age. According to a Gallup poll, the average retirement age for Americans is 61. But the majority of wealthy people don't plan to retire until at least 70. Not because they have to keep working, but because they want to. So these are the 20 habits of successful people. I hope you learn something new from us. That's all for today. See you soon in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Adios.